Looking to satisfy your sweet tooth with a taste of Indonesian tradition? Try making Bangka Ambon cake. This honeycomb-like delicacy is a favorite across Indonesia and beyond. With tapioca flour, coconut milk, and a touch of pandan, you'll create a cake that's rich in flavor and irresistible in texture. Just whisk, pour, and bake for 60 to 75 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Let it cool, slice, and enjoy. Add grated cheese or condensed milk for an extra special touch. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Bring the flavors of Indonesia to your kitchen with this delicious Bangka Ambon cake recipe. Bon appetit!